Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you're looking for durable but elegant cups, you got to check these out. These are my plastic tumblers by Amazing Abby, and my favorite thing about them is that they do not look plastic at all. They're in this really pretty snowflake pattern that is so elegant. They look like they are made of glass, but they are durable. And so they come here in the 16 ounce and the 24-ounce sizes, which you can see fits a good amount of liquid, and I've got plenty of room for ice, which is awesome. And the best part is that I can be as clumsy as I want to be, and they are not going to easily shatter like glass would. They're not going to get easily scratched up. They are so durable and practical while also being really pretty. So I can take these outside. I don't have to worry about them. They're great for when you have people over. You don't have to worry about them. And they're also dishwasher safe, which is a must for me. Super easy to clean. These are great for everyday drinks. They fit a good amount. They're beautiful, and they are just super, super durable and reliable. So I think that they've got everything. I think Amazing Abby really created an awesome product here that's going to be everyday use in your home. They also stack really easily for storage, which is another bonus. So all in all, if you are looking for tumblers that don't look like they're plastic, check these out. That's just my point of view.